Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to get the hog dance emote, which is basically just a pig shaking the booty emote, whatever. But anyways, right now it is in the shop. It's in the same, it's like there for the same amount of days as the goblin boohoo emote. And by the way, if you can't see that emote, I also made a video on that if you guys want to check it out. But anyways, if you can't see the hog dance emote, what you want to do is you want to go over to Clash Royale. You want to click on the 3 horizontal dots in the top right. It should be right under gems. And this is basically going to show you the menu so you can see battle log, leaderboards, etc. But you want to go ahead and click on settings. Now from settings, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on more settings. And from more settings, you want to go ahead and select personalized offers. You want to make sure that it's on. Once that has been turned on, you will be able to see both emotes, or specifically the hog dance emote as well. Now, if for some reason you do not see the personalized offers, you can go ahead and email Supercell support. You can talk to them. It does say help and support right under change name, so you can go ahead and contact them from there and be like, oh, you don't see the personalized offer section and you want to be able to buy the emote, and they will get back to you and let you guys know. So that is it for the video. That is how to get the hog dancing emote. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.